still gaining belly fat even after eating healthy. These 10 night habits might be the reason. Struggling to lose belly fat no matter how hard you try. You might be doing all the right things during the day, but if your night habits are off, your body can't burn fat effectively while you sleep. Let's fix that. Here are 10 nighttime habits that are secretly stopping your fat loss and how to change them. Habit 1. Scrolling on your phone before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Poor sleep leads to more cravings and slower metabolism. Turn off screens 30 minutes before sleep or switch to night mode. Habit 2. Eating late at night. Food eaten after 9 p.m. is harder to digest and more likely to be stored as fat. Finish your dinner 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Habit 3. Sugary desserts before bed. Late night sugar spikes your insulin and fat storage mode turns on. Avoid sweets. If you need a snack, try almonds or plain Greek yogurt. Habit 4. Drinking too little water. Dehydration slows your metabolism, even while sleeping. Drink a small glass of water 30 minutes before sleep, but not too much. Habit 5. No physical activity after dinner. Sitting or lying down right after eating causes bloating and fat buildup. Go for a 10-minute walk. It helps digestion and lowers blood sugar. Habit 6. Sleeping too late. Sleeping past midnight increases stress hormones and belly fat. Aim to sleep by 10:30 p.m. to balance your fat-burning hormones. Habit 7. Watching stressful content. Scary shows or news increase cortisol stress hormone, which promotes fat gain. Watch something light or read a calming book before bed. Habit 8. Warm room temperature. Sleeping in a hot room reduces brown fat activity, which burns calories. Keep your room cool. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius is ideal. Habit 9. Not planning your next day. Going to bed mentally stressed impacts sleep and fat loss. Write down 3 simple goals for tomorrow before sleeping. Habit 10. Healthy but heavy late night snacks. Fixing these small habits can make a big difference. Your body burns fat while you sleep, but only if you set it up for success. Try changing just 3 of these tonight and feel the difference by next week. Like, comment, and subscribe to Everyday Fit for easy,